I'm Will the drummer, and I'm in the death metal band Absolution and also the metalcore band Nebulous State. I've been playing for about 17 years. I started when I was 13, I was in year 8, and two boys were talking about how they wanted to start a band. Both of them wanted to play guitar, they needed a drummer, and then they just looked at me while I was eating a sandwich, and then 17 years later, I'm still the only one doing music, or I'm the only one that's playing music. The drumstick sizes I use are 2B size, which are quite popular, and it's how I get the big powerful sound that I like for when I'm drumming, so I can have the kind of power and get all the force behind it that I need. Some of the things that I love about these drumsticks are how solid they are. They feel like I'm picking up a hammer and I'm swinging a hammer rather than a piece of wood that kind of feels flimsy. These just feel solid every single time. No matter how battered and bruised they get, they still just give on and keep on going. They make the drums kind of sound like how they're meant to sound, especially on the cymbals. I can hear a difference even if I just tap lightly on them. I can tap hard every way, it just sounds much more powerful. It makes the drum kit sing and sound better when I'm playing. So my old drumsticks, I just A-B'd them, and these night and day difference. These are just powerful as anything. I also love the quality and care. See at the bottom here, they're all smooth, and other ones I've just had grooves and stuff, and it just looks tattered and just like gone straight through the workshop. Yeah, that'll do. Ship them out. These they've actually have an eye for detail, and they just don't banana or warp or anything. They're just perfect every single time. To stop me waffling on, I'm just gonna get in and start playing a song that's fast and heavy. It's by my death metal band Absolution. It's a demo, and we got a joke title for it, which you probably won't say on camera, so I'm just going to call it Untitled. And it's quite fast and punchy. It's kind of more hardcore based to me. It's a bit Sepultura-ish, and to the others it's a bit more like Nail Bomb. So going to get in there, throw in some skank beats, some blast beats, some fast double bass, you know, get my influences out there, a little bit of Fear Factory, some Slayer and Dave Lombardo.